The Maltese vegan. Well, I bought a vermicelli salad and chowing down on this, just an appetizer. Then moving on to another bag of noodles right there. Chowing down on some jackfruit. Delicious. And this is after having about six banana smoothie with some like 30-40 grams of coconut sugar. Got a carb up. Making a Hawaiian pizza. It's not really Hawaiian, in fact, because the Hawaiian usually has some ham, I think, some processed pork flesh, basically, which ironically is not Hawaiian at all. Hawaiians typically did not have ham. They did have pineapple and then lots of other fruit. In fact, they were typically not obese, but funnily enough, since the introduction of ham, spam, and these kind of processed meats and other meat, and the westernization, basically, they've all become one of the, let's say, top-ranking obese nations. I don't want to say they're the top; they're at the very top, but they're completely changed now. Introducing you to this week's half shopping haul, because I already did the other half last Saturday, and I'll go one by one so you can see what I bought. Some of it is for my birthday party and the other one is for regular day-to-day. Some pre-prepared meals, 2 bags of walnuts. These are the bananas I bought last Saturday. Some more, these are organic, these aren't. Actually, these look nicer than the organic, but that's strange. But anyway, and I got some more, 2 more bunches of bananas. As you can see, these probably still have a couple of days probably to start ripening up. So I was lucky enough to find some already ripe bananas. So red grape juice, 67 calories per 100 milliliters. 125 grams of blueberries for tomorrow's Rotel 4. Carrots for birthday party preparation. Gonna make some wraps with these. Some more beans as a spread for the wrap itself. And finally, the watermelon, which I bought for tomorrow's Rotel 4. Red bell pepper, purposely for the muhammara, which as I said is the dip, the Lebanese dip. And 2 more peppers over there. I might be using them in some dishes in the future, or just use them as decoration for the party itself, seeing as it's gonna be a colored theme. Mushrooms, cucumber for the wrap, green pepper also for decoration, ginger, I always use it for my smoothies, but I also will probably be using it for some recipes for the birthday party food, and loads of apples. This morning I'm sipping on a 2 kilo watermelon juice. So I'm almost 3/4 to the end. Finish this soon and then go on to the next smoothie. I've got 578 grams of cooked couscous from last night. I'm taking this for lunch for after 4. Here's the final product. Well, just before I slice it, and piece broke off. Doesn't look too bad if I say so myself. I'll try it out this evening because this morning it's rotten 4. So I've sliced them into squares and I've used 2 different containers, separated this one with tissue paper. I'm not separating these with anything. In fact, I'm doing kind of a different experiment, see which works best. Gonna try and freeze these 2, see which container is best and which form of separation is best. I'm gonna leave these crumbs out to keep cooling and see how they taste and see what the texture is in the evening. And I'm gonna put this in the fridge and see what effect that has on the fridge, and I'll taste it this evening also. So this is what I've got left now, and I think I'm gonna add some sesame oil for a bit of taste, well, a special taste, let's say, and maybe some tamari, give it a bit of an oriental feel. So I'm making vegan wraps, and then I want to slice them diagonally. The problem is that in the mix I thought of use carrots and cucumber, which are quite moist, especially when you grate them, and I think I tried one anyway just in case and put it in the fridge to see how that turns out, but I doubt it's going to turn out really good. Probably it's going to be really soggy. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to slightly dehydrate the mix at a low temperature. In fact, right now it's even off, and hoping that the liquid would dry enough so that it won't be too liquidy and cause the wrap itself to become mushy and soggy. It's my birthday today. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and click the subscribe button below if you want to keep watching my videos.